Someone asked Tom to do that. Someone asked Tom to do that. Please don't let Tom do that. Please don't let Tom do that. Tom won't let anyone do that. Tom won't let anyone do that. Tom would have let you do that. Tom would have let you do that. Tell Tom to do that tomorrow. Tell Tom to do that tomorrow. Is Tom determined to do that? Is Tom determined to do that? I'm positive Tom can do that. I'm positive Tom can do that. I thought Tom should do that. I thought Tom should do that. I know Tom shouldn't do that. I know Tom shouldn't do that. Tom won't promise to do that. Tom won't promise to do that. Tom won't do that any longer. Tom won't do that any longer. Tom will most likely do that. Tom will most likely do that. Tom will do that if possible. Tom will do that if possible. Tom wasn't afraid to do that. Tom wasn't afraid to do that. Tom was permitted to do that. Tom was permitted to do that. Tom was motivated to do that. Tom was motivated to do that. Tom was desperate to do that. Tom was desperate to do that. Tom usually seems to do that. Tom usually seems to do that. Tom thinks he should do that. Tom thinks he should do that. Tom swore he'd never do that. Tom swore he'd never do that. Tom swears he didn't do that. Tom swears he didn't do that. Tom still refuses to do that. Tom still refuses to do that. Tom should do that right now. Tom should do that right now. Tom says he'll do that today. Tom says he'll do that today. Tom says he'll do that later. Tom says he'll do that later. Tom said he'll do that later. Tom said he'll do that later. Tom said he'd likely do that. Tom said he'd likely do that. Tom really wanted to do that. Tom really wanted to do that. Tom really needed to do that. Tom really needed to do that. Tom often forgets to do that. Tom often forgets to do that. Tom must not do that anymore. Tom must not do that anymore. Tom isn't willing to do that. Tom isn't willing to do that. Tom hasn't agreed to do that. Tom hasn't agreed to do that. Tom figured he could do that. Tom figured he could do that. Tom encouraged us to do that. Tom encouraged us to do that. Tom encouraged me to do that. Tom encouraged me to do that. Tom doesn't do that, does he? Tom doesn't do that, does he? Tom doesn't do that way. Tom doesn't do that way. Tom didn't do that very well. Tom didn't do that very well. Tom didn't do that very long. Tom didn't do that very long. Tom didn't do that last week. Tom didn't do that last week. Tom didn't do that after all. Tom didn't do that after all. Tom claimed he could do that. Tom claimed he could do that. Tom can't do that any longer. Tom can't do that any longer. Tom almost forgot to do that. Tom almost forgot to do that. Tom should help Mary do that. Tom should help Mary do that. Tom says Mary should do that. Tom says Mary should do that. Tom said Mary should do that. Tom said Mary should do that. Tom said Mary didn't do that. Tom said Mary didn't do that. Tom reminded Mary to do that. Tom reminded Mary to do that.